Hello everybody. For this activity I have chosen two topics. The first one is the evaluation of student view concerning the teacher qualification for total quality implementation. We have to know that if we want to have a good student, a good person, a good society, we have to improve our method, our way how to teach. We have to change our mind, because we go to teach many people who will go to work in many parts around the world, and these people have big expectation about us. So if we don't have a good qualification, that people will go to fail. Sometimes that people will go to fail in their life. So I think that the teacher is the base of the society. That is my point of view. I have examples. In our classroom we have normally two kinds of teachers. The one is the person who we try to be. That is, that teacher help another person, to help to solve problems, and that help, and it's kindly. And another one, that is that teacher that it doesn't know how to teach, that always have stress, that it doesn't solve problems. I think that we have to change this one for this one. My second topic is the contribution of research to teacher professional learning and development. If the teacher research, as I said before, he will know how to solve the problems and how to treat the student, and he will know how to carry on his class. I don't know, maybe if something happens, he will know how to solve that. If the teacher research, he will go to bring, he will bring something new for our classroom. And I have two examples. The first one is, if he know how to use a computer, he will go to transmit these things to the student. And the second is, if the student have any question, the teacher will know how to solve and how to answer that question. Thank you.